Welcome back to Midday in Kansas. We're joined once again by Miss Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission, and we're making taco dip, which I love, and I know you're going to love too. This is a Kansas State Fair heart-healthy recipe, and the winner was Joyce Connard from Hutchinson, Kansas. So tell us how we get started.
Okay, have been using tofu all morning.
We have been.
And we talked about how we need to press it between paper towels to get the water out of it or drain the water out of it. And so I put it in the food processor with a taco seasoning with some green onion and some mayonnaise.
That's good.
And
yeah.
look how nice and creamy that is.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. And the tofu is heart healthy, and you'll see how many calories are in this. 60, what does that say, 83 or 63?
83.
83, so
Yeah.
in a serving. Okay, you're going to add another soy product, and these are crumbles. So
Okay.
this is soy crumbles. If you're
Okay.
vegetarian, this will be a perfect dish for you. And we'll stir that in. And then we have a half a cup of tomato
Okay.
and a half a cup of cheddar cheese there.
Love that.
Oh yeah, this is good. And then some green pepper there.
Oh, perfect.
All of our Christmas colors here.
Oh, it is, isn't it? We got the red and green.
Be a great snack dip to have while you're watching the football game, a bowl game, or to have for an appetizer. Look how that is. And how easy was that?
That was really simple.
So what you need to do now is, she suggested serving it hot.
Okay.
So put it in a little mini slow cooker and
Okay.
put that on your buffet table, and
Oh,
it'll be
perfect.
warm. If you want to serve it cold like we have here,
Yeah.
she suggests maybe you want to add another half a cup of sour cream to it. But
Okay.
it is ready to eat, and I think you're going to love it.
Okay. Usually we take this out to the newsroom to share. Can I just keep that one?
Yes, you
or
may.
at least this one?
Yes, you
Okay.
may. Merry
Hey,
Christmas.
Tell everyone Merry Christmas. I love it. Remind us how we can get the recipes.
Go to kansassoybeans.org, and you can also call our 800 number, 877-KS-SOYBEAN, and we'll send you all the recipes that we did this morning for the month of December, the wonderful dessert. They were all winning recipes
Yes,
from the
for good
Kansas
reason.
State Fair, from the Heart Healthy Contest that the Kansas Soybean Commission sponsors.
All right, Charlene, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Right now, let's head over and take a final look at the forecast.